Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've ever struggled with drawing trend lines and keeping up with market direction, then I've got something that could change your trading game. All right. In this video, we're going to be talking about the HA market bias indicator. Okay. We're going to be talking about the HA market bias indicator. Okay, so this is the indicator that we're going to be looking at. It's a tool that removes the need for manual trend lines and gives you a clear objective, a clear objective view of the market. Now, what exactly is the HA market bias indicator? This indicator is based on the Heiken Ashi calculations, which smooth out price fluctuations and reveal the true market direction. So instead of dealing with choppy price action and false breakouts, this indicator filters the noise, helping you see whether the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or ranging phase. So most traders rely on trend lines to determine market direction, and trend lines are great. Yeah, they're actually great, right? However, trend lines can be subjective. If you're going to be honest, trend lines can be subjective, right? So different traders will draw them differently, leading to inconsistent results. Plus, trend lines need constant adjustments as price evolves. For example, this is a trend line, right? It's a trend line drawn, for this particular bullish move, right? If price never comes back to retest this trend line might become obsolete. I might not need it again, right? So I need to keep on updating my trend lines as price action evolves, as price moves forward. I need to keep on updating my trend lines. However, the HA market bias indicator eliminates this problem by automatically adjusting to market conditions, keeping you one step ahead. Now, you might be wondering how this indicator works. The HA market bias indicator applies Heiken Ashi-based calculations to smooth out candlestick movements. So when the indicator signals a bullish trend, and how do you know a bullish trend? Very easy. When the indicator is green in color and you have price trading above it, that is a bullish trend. All right. So when the indicator signals a bullish trend, it confirms that buyers are in control, right? So when price gets rejected from the the indicator, when it is green in color, because the indicator serves as a dynamic support and resistance, right? When it is green, it's going to be serving as dynamic support. When it is red, it's going to be serving as dynamic resistance. So at this point, it was a dynamic support and it got rejected. And then you can see that considering the fact that we already have a buy signal, this would have actually been a good place to enter a buy after you get your confirmation, obviously, and your stop loss can be below the indicator. Take profit can be at notable resistance zones. So long as you have a good risk to reward ratio, you are good to go. But if the risk to reward ratio is not good enough, well, you can just keep it. Okay. Now, when the indicator shifts to bearish, sellers dominate. When the indicator's color is red and you have price bouncing below it, it shows that there is prevailing bearish momentum. So this simple yet effective approach allows you to trade with confidence without second guessing trend direction. So how do you use this indicator in your trading? It's quite simple. When the indicator confirms a bullish trend, you just look for buy opportunities. All right, look for buy opportunities, look for areas where price gets rejected from the indicator and moving upwards. You can just confirm with candlestick patterns, enter your buy trade, set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then your take profit can be at resistance zones. All right, ensure you have a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so at this point, after we got this bullish candlestick, it would have been a great place to enter a buy, setting stop loss below the swing low, take profit at resistance. So you can see that the buy signal actually came somewhere around here after price crossed above the moving average, above the market bias, the HA market bias. But then at this point, it was as if we had a false breakout, but not long afterwards, price got rejected and climbed back above. So here again, it got rejected, climbed back above. So this was a great place to enter a buy. Okay. Now, when the indicator signals a bearish trend, which is when it drops below the indicator and it gets rejected, and ensure that the indicator color changes to red, like what is happening here right now. The indicator color is already changing to red. And then, well, this looks like a great place to enter a sell because we have confluence. We have price being rejected around the horizontal resistance. We also have price being rejected around this trend line resistance. And at the same time, the HA market bias indicator is giving us a sell signal. The color has already changed to red. So this might actually be a good place to enter a sell. But we need enough confirmation though. Let the candle close below this indicator. Candlestick should close below it. If we get a if we get a good confirmation, we can enter a sell, set stop loss above the swing high, and we can target this support for our take profit and ensure you have a good risk to reward ratio before you proceed with the trade. Okay. Meanwhile, in a situation whereby the market is indecisive, if the market is indecisive, maybe the price is just going sideways or something. If you have a situation whereby price is just going sideways and maybe the indicator itself is even going sideways, just wait for a clear signal before entering a trade. So this tool works across multiple time frames and it's perfect for Forex, stocks, and crypto trading. No more adjusting trend lines or getting caught in fake outs, just clear, actionable signals. So if you're tired of struggling with trend lines and uncertain market direction, the HA market bias indicator is the perfect solution. It helps you trade smarter by confirming trends and eliminating guesswork. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more game-changing trading strategies. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.